Hi friends, today let us see how to prepare Semiya Payasam. Things required for this: 1 cup roasted vermicelli, 1 cup sugar, cashew nuts, raisins, half teaspoon cardamom powder, 3 tablespoon ghee, 1 liter boiled milk. Let us take a pan and pour 3 tablespoon ghee into it. As it heats up, we shall add cashew nuts and roast it for a while in a low flame. To this let us add raisins and roast well. After it gets roasted, let's transfer it to a bowl. Now we add the vermicelli into the pan and roast it in ghee for a while. Here I have taken roasted vermicelli. If you are using unroasted vermicelli, make sure to roast it for longer time. After it gets roasted, we shall add half cup of milk into it and cook the vermicelli well. Then we add 1 cup of sugar to the pan and keep stirring until the sugar dissolves well with vermicelli. Now we add half teaspoon cardamom powder and mix well. We shall add remaining milk into the pan. And mix well and cook them for 1 minute. Now we shall add cashew nuts and raisins and give it a quick mix. Let's switch off the flame. The tasty Semiya Payasam is ready to be served in the bowl. Cashew nuts and raisins can be added as per your taste. Try this recipe and let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching us. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Keep smiling.